Being involved in the community is what keeps me in the know. I enjoy giving back and help shaping our city. Listening to our neighbors and wanting to give them a voice is why I decided to become a community councilman. Being an active part of the community allows me to better understand the needs of the areas and find the right spot for them to thrive. I've been in the real estate and finance business for nearly 20 years, and in those years, my success is thanks to the referrals I receive. This is why I make it my duty to make sure my clients are satisfied. If you're investing your money, you want someone that's going to tell you like it is, someone that's going to tell you the truth, someone that's going to be on your side in the transaction. That's why you want to go with me. I have the experience in the banking world, in the finance world, in the real estate world. I'll make it happen. My name is Patrick Kelly, and I help people find their spot.